I'm going to show you how to add pictures to your website now. So we'll go back to superiorwallcoveringandpainting.com/wp-admin. Go back here. And I'm already logged in, but if you have to log in again, just enter your email as your username, and the password is the password that I sent to you. And you'll be brought to this dashboard here. And you'll see this sidebar down here, and on the left you'll see Pages. Click on Pages, let that load. Okay, and now we see two pages. We have the home page and the work pictures. So we're going to edit work pictures. Just click Edit. Make sure this all loads. You'll see this bar up here spinning. Wait till that finishes spinning until it's all loaded. Okay, and now we have our two media grids, the top one and the bottom one. The top one is the 9 pictures that you can see on that page all laid out, and the bottom one is the 3 pictures at the bottom that you can scroll through, and there's a lot more if you keep scrolling. Displays 3 at a time. So we'll edit this. We'll click, if you hover over this, you get this green bar, and you click the pen for editing. So click that, and it'll bring up this. So all these settings here you can leave, but then up here you see all the pictures that we have added in. You can click on the X and remove one of them if you want, but we're going to leave those in there for now. Then to add new ones, you click right here. So click that, and now we have 2 options up here. You have your media library, and we have upload files. What you're going to be doing is adding new pictures. So you might take a picture at work, then you're going to have to put the picture on your computer, save it as a file name that you will recognize, and you'll go to upload files, and then we'll click select files, and it's going to open your Finder. So I have a test picture for us here. I'm just going to click on that test picture, double click it, and now you'll see right here that it was loading. Okay, so now you see a checked box next to it. If I click the minus, it'll remove it. If I click the check, it'll put it back in there. So I've checked it off, and now I'm going to go to add images because I've already checked it off, and now I'll just hit add images. Give it some time to load. Still loading. Alright, cool. So now you can see all our pictures, and the test is in there too. So now we click Save Changes, and then we click Update. You'll see Update in the top right corner-ish here. Click Update, and make sure you let it completely update to make sure that the picture makes its way in there. Okay, so now we're done updating. This bar is still spinning, but alright, so it's updated. Now let's just make sure that it made its way in. We'll hit Preview Changes to see if it made it, and it's loading. Okay, so now these are the 9 pictures that are part of that first media grid, and then this is the bottom part that we edited. So all our pictures, and boom, there's the test. The picture that I tested out with doesn't totally fit, but your pictures should fit just fine because all the rest of them have. So that's how you do it. Then you can just exit out, and it's all good to go from there.